Saturn. Then, moving on to the other side, we have Myth. Imperial. And Devastation. Let's go. We're going along. Those are the airplanes we're going to be flying today. And now, let's start this video. Okay, here goes Revenge. I got this Revenge. Revenge. Saturn. And Beautiful. Alright. More. Find more airplanes. Wood. And stuff we have Revenge. I mean Devastation, not Revenge. Sorry. Devastation. I just get confused. Imperial. And Myth. Let's go check our winner. Let's go. I think actually Imperial won this one. And find the 3. I got my 3. You got 1, 2, and Beautiful 3 is Beautiful went right here. We're trying to find Beautiful and I think Imperial. Okay. Imperial we couldn't find Beautiful. But for now, we say Imperial is our winner. So if Beautiful won, then we'll let you know in another video. So see ya. And bye. And drop a like on this video.